Robots.txt. Instructions for web crawlers. In this video, we'll explore one of the fundamental files used to communicate with search engines and automated bots on the internet. Robots.txt is a text file placed in the root directory of a website that tells web crawlers and search engine bots which pages or sections they are allowed or not allowed to access and index. Think of it as a set of instructions or guidelines that website owners provide to automated programs that browse the web. The robots.txt file serves three main purposes. First, it helps control which parts of your website search engines can crawl and index, giving you selective visibility. Second, it prevents server overload from excessive bot traffic, protecting your server resources. Third, it keeps private or duplicate content out of search results, maintaining the quality of your site's search presence. The robots.txt file must be placed in the root directory of your website. For example, if your website is example.com, the file should be accessible at https://example.com/robots.txt. Search engines always look for this file at this exact location. There are four basic directives in a robots.txt file. User-agent specifies which bot the rules apply to. Disallow indicates URLs that bots should not access. Allow specifies URLs that bots can access, even if a parent directory is disallowed. And Sitemap provides the location of your XML sitemap to help crawlers discover your content. Here's a simple example that blocks all bots from accessing the entire site. The user-agent directive is set to *, meaning all bots. The disallow directive is set to /, which represents the root directory, effectively blocking access to everything on the website. This example shows a more practical configuration. User-agent is set to * to target all bots. Then we have three disallow directives for specific folders: admin, private, and temp. These folders will be blocked from crawling while the rest of the site remains accessible. Finally, a sitemap directive points to the XML sitemap location to help bots discover allowed content. Three critical points to remember about robots.txt. First, it's a request, not enforcement. Bots can choose to ignore it, though most reputable ones respect it. Second, the file is publicly accessible, so never use it to hide truly sensitive data. Anyone can view your robots.txt file by typing your domain followed by /robots.txt. Third, most reputable search engines like Google and Bing do respect robots.txt directives and will follow your instructions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.